This is gonna be the weirdest lighting I've like ever had in a video because I don't know what the sun's doing right now, okay? I just spilled all over myself. Perfect. I love my life. Today, we're doing something a little different. I'm here with a full face of this makeup and no eye makeup because today we're gonna try on some makeup. My cat's actually having a heart attack on the bed. What are we doing? Wow, I wish you saw that. She's right here being a monster. If you don't know me, I love makeup. I worked in cosmetics. I technically still work in like aesthetics for years and years and years. I also love Disney. If you can't tell, I'm wearing my Disney cast member spirit jersey. So when my cat stopped being an idiot, when Disney launched the Disney Colourpop collaboration, I lost my mind. I ordered it immediately. It came in the mail. Today we're gonna try out because Instagram said it should have its own video. Also, we're at a weird angle right now, so I'm gonna fix this angle and then we'll hop into it. I'm bringing out one of my favorite pairs of Disney ears to pull my hair back. Real excited that this guy's getting another time to shine. I still need to do everything I bought on my Disney College Program video because these are good and they're in that. I ordered this a really long time ago, for being honest, and it arrived a while ago too, and I just haven't opened it. So I don't really remember when I ordered, but we're gonna see. I know I'm like late on this video, but I still feel like all the videos that I've seen have been PR unboxings, not like normal human being unboxings. So I want to be that normal human being for you. We open her up. She looks like this. It's very cute. This is very well packed. I will give them that. See, if the lighting could just stay like this, that'd be perfect, but I know it's not going to. The only thing I couldn't get is they had 2 highlighters, and I couldn't get those, which I'm still mad about, but I started using their highlighters again afterwards, and I don't love them, so I'm less mad. It looks like I have 2 packages here. Lipsticks, we have the Belle lipstick, the Ariel lipstick, and the Snow White. Yeah, I'll show the third one. And the Snow White lipstick, which are the 3 that I wanted there. A Whole New World, so this is, I have my hair on it. A Whole New World is the purpley Super Shock Shadow. So this is Love, which is a... She just knocked over every bottle of perfume that I have. And this one is called Hi Ho. It's the lightest one. I got one of the glosses. This is... Obviously, the mothership is the palette. Can y'all see how pretty that is? With all the names on it. So, like I said, I have my face of makeup on. My base is on. We're gonna try out the eyeshadow palette. Maybe throw one of these on it. And then I think today I'm gonna use Snow White probably, because depending on the colors, I'm gonna also wear this to work tomorrow and do a full day wear test and update y'all about how it wears. So this is the front of the actual palette there with like the designer princesses. And then the inside has all these signatures, which I think is so cute. And then the colors here. I have my eyes primed with a paint pot from MAC, which is what I usually do. Let's hop into it. So I'm going to take Chip, which is the matte cream shade first. And just a little floofy shader brush, and not that these need to be set, but just in case. And I know people are always like, if you want better color payoff, don't set your lids. No, I need to set my lids. I think I'm gonna go into Grumpy. This packaging makes it very hard to point it out. I think I'm gonna go into Grumpy, which is that one there, with a little bit of a floofy brush, and pop that in the crease. I do really like the shade range of this palette, although if you're anyone that's like even slightly tanner than medium, I don't think a lot of these will show up on you because there's no real deep matte shade at all. And then the only shade that's like deeper than tan is black. So I'm sad though, because I'm going to fall in love with this palette, I feel like, and then it's going to be limited edition and I'm never going to bring it back because that's what Colourpop does, and then I'm just going to be emo for the rest of my life about it. Can this be my new thing? Can my cat just sit in the back of all my videos? That would be great. Do you want to go pink? Do we want to try and do... Yeah, let's go with Juju. This is a real chalky Barbie pink. No promises, this is gonna look good. Blendy, blendy, blend, 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 blend. How you doing? Cool, you're doing good? Perfect. We're gonna try Fairy Godmother. These, like, foiled shades, like this one, pretty much this whole row of shades here are like the foiledy formula, which I haven't had good luck with in the past from Colourpop. So I'm going to try Fairy Godmother first, and then Enchanted Rose might have to come save the day. But we're just gonna, ooh, yeah. We might have to use fingers, but that's okay. These shades are just so flaky. Like, I have so much fallout. I feel like if I push hard enough to get anything on my brush in the pan, it just squishes it around. It's not ideal. Not my finest work. Let's try and take a little bit of Enchanted Rose. This lighting is truly wild, guys. I feel like the formula of the middle row is like the weird flaky metallics, which I'm not about, and the last row is fine again. Should I have set my face before I did this? Oh, 100%. Did I? No, never. Thinking ahead, Lauren doesn't do that. I'm just gonna do same two shades, Grumpy and Juju, on lower lash line, and then we'll come back. The matte shades are really nice, but the other shades are actually the worst thing ever. I don't know why they insist on still making them. That's that. And then I think we're gonna go into this shadow. This is Hi Ho. What is going on? Look at how cute that is. How was I supposed to not buy these? Come on. I'm gonna just go in straight with my finger. These are so soft. I love them. Hi! Are you just hanging out? Hi! And, oh, this is not what I expected it to be, but it's happening. Help, 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 help. Oh! This whole thing has truly been a mess and an experience. I'm gonna go put on mascara, and I'll be back. So, we're at a tiny bit of a different angle. I probably should have done it from this angle the entire time, let's be honest. We're also using a pillow as my tripod stand now, so not the sturdiest thing. So if we're a little wiggly, that's why, dudes. I put mascara on. I put a highlight on. I was gonna use a Colourpop highlight, but honestly, I don't like them that much, sorry. And then I added a little bit from this palette. I added Ray, this goldy color, on top of my highlight, because this bad boy is very purple. This is what they look like. They have all the signatures. So I have Ariel, Snow White, and Belle. I think I'm probably gonna do Ariel tomorrow for work, because this is the more like neutrally one. It looks very dark all of a sudden now. But I might do Belle tomorrow too. Oh, that's so pretty. These are my stees. I love these. Oh, they even say like, can you see that? Come on. They even have like the little Disney Designer Collection logo on them. They're so cute. So I think today we're gonna do Snow White. Do I want to line my lips? I've never used the Colourpop Luxe lipsticks before, so I don't know how creamy they are. We're just gonna go in without a liner. Is this a bad idea? Probably. I realize I'm just doing red lipstick with a pink eye. Today's a look, guys. It's a look today. Ooh. This actually feels awesome on the lips. I really, really like this formula, which sucks because now I'm gonna buy a million of them. It's fine, but this, oh, this is so pretty. This, with my Slinky Dog ears on, is kind of what I came up with today using some of the pinky tones from the palette. So far, my thoughts. This, I don't like. This one is an ultra glitter, where these ones are, ugh, you're also an ultra glitter. Okay, this is an ultra glitter too, the purple, but this is an ultra metallic, and I think I like the ultra metallics better because this is what I normally have. So I'm excited to try this. I didn't even think about the finishes, but the glitter, I don't love this finish. Lipstick, gorgeous, as long as the other two are the same formula. I'm super, super into these. I really like these. Palette, obviously this is beautiful. I love the outside packaging. It kills me. I think the signatures on top here are absolutely beautiful. I do think it's a weird choice of princesses. I just feel like if they're looking for like princesses that are popular. Like Tiana doesn't fit with the rest of these. I feel like they're all classic princesses and she's not. She's a newer princess. Then if you're gonna do newer princess, like put in the Rapunzels or someone from Frozen. I get they're trying to be classic, but it seems weird. My cat's chewing cardboard in the back. Spoiler alert. That's all you do. Really like the mats. I always like Colourpop's mats. Everyone knows this. This formula, not my favorite. They're super like flaky and chunky. I probably won't use them. And then I used Enchanted Rose, which is really nice, but I need to play around with the rest of them. This is this for today. I might check in later to see how the red wears, but I'm gonna do my makeup fully with more neutral tones tomorrow, and I'll let you know how that goes. Can you hear things just moving around in the background? That's this one. Hello, so it is the next day. It's currently around 10:30. I've had my makeup on for probably about half an hour. This looks real harsh in my camera. It doesn't look like that in real life, but I thought I'd give you a close-up of the eyes. I used some of the more neutral goldy tones, but I'm not going to put the lipstick on until I get closer to work because I don't want to reapply it. So this is the current state of my eyes. I think the shade on my lid went a little bit better today than the one I was using yesterday, but it had like entirely, completely faded off my eyes by the end of the day yesterday, so we'll see how this goes. Wow, I look so haggard now that I'm turning this on. It is actually not the next day, it's actually the day after the next day, because I got home from work at 10 last night and I was so tired, I just went to bed. I did the exact same makeup today, and this is literally, what time is it? It's 10 at night. I put this makeup on at about 7 this morning. Hello. She loves me. This has been on my face for about 15 hours now. I don't have a lip on, obviously. Sorry. But the eyes looked exactly the same. This is what they look like after being on for that long. Better than the pink. The pink, I feel like, faded really quickly, where this still has a little bit of metallic. But I will do a little bit of a close-up for y'all. Let's all politely ignore all the smudging mascara underneath. But you can see there is still a bit of shimmer across it. There's still color in the lid. Brow bone, pretty much gone. Inner corner is still kind of there, but I've also been rubbing at this all day. Lower lash line, same dealio. Wow, my concealer is entirely rubbed off. It is my final thoughts on this collection. Starting with this guy, I have pretty much still the same feelings about this. Obviously, the outer packaging is gorgeous. I pretty much purchased it just for that. All the matte shades here, I really, really like them. I feel like the tones are really nice. I love a pink eyeshadow, so I'm totally down for that. These I actually really like Ray, which is the Goldie shade. Prince Charming is pretty nice too. Fairy Godmother totally let me down, and I haven't tried these ones, so I can't speak to them, but they're that same like flaky formula where these are a bit creamier. Enchanted Rose was nice, but by the end of the day, when I had Enchanted Rose and Fairy Godmother on, it wore off entirely within a couple hours. I haven't played with these two, so again, I can't comment on Poison Apple or Magic Carpet. I used Beast today in the crease. It has a little bit of glitter in it, but it's actually really nice. Crease in the lower lash line, so I like that. And then I haven't tried Midnight Curfew, but I want to because it's like a gorgeous shimmery black. That's my thoughts on this. It is still in stock as of when I'm looking at this, so if you love Disney, if you like Colourpop's formula, then definitely pick it up. If you don't have a problem with their flaky shadows, then definitely pick it up. Today I have Ariel on, this one here. Again, for $7 for this packaging alone, even if I didn't use them, to me is worth it because that's the kind of person I am. I haven't tried Belle on, but just looking at the color, I know I'm gonna like it. And Snow White is gorgeous. That red is so pretty. And I didn't touch it up all throughout the day when I wore it, and it was not on my face, but it had stained and it was like still on my face slightly. How do you like the Disney collection? No? Okay, bye. Formula of these, really, really nice. Really recommend them. I think they're like all sold out now. Sorry, but if they ever restock them, I'm getting my hands on all of them. For these alone, I purchased them for this alone because these are so gorgeous. I'm sorry, I haven't tried the lip gloss, but I've used Colourpop glosses. I really like them. This is my kind of color. I'm probably gonna like it. Again, $6. I'm not mad about it. Then lastly, we have the Super Shock Shadows, which is sad because these were one of the things I was most excited for and probably the most disappointed in. I used this one on the first day. This was Hi Ho, and I was probably the most excited for this shade in particular because in the pan it just looks like a really pretty like pearlescent white. But when you swatch this, it's straight up purple reflect. Like super purple glitter, and it just flakes off right away. I'm sorry, but not a fan. The other two here, also I have not tried because I've been at work every day and I haven't had a reason to wear purple eyeshadow. This is A Whole New World. It's also an ultra glitter. It's hard because they don't look, can you see it at all? They don't really look glittery in the like pan, but with the other one it was only glitter afterwards, so I don't know. But again, packaging, super, super cute. I love the castle. Boxes are really cute. I am actually really, really excited for. This one is, so this is Love. This one is the ultra metallic, not the ultra glitter. And it's like a cool, like taupey purple color. So I'm excited for this one. Overall, I would say in my personal opinion, the palette's worth it. The lipsticks are worth it. If you're a gloss person, go ahead and get glosses. Super Shock Shadows, I'd probably pass unless they were an ultra metallic. The ultra glitters, I'm not a fan of the formula. I don't like them. My alarm's going off. What's going on? Like I said, if they do restock any of the lipsticks, I'm super getting those. If they restock some of the glosses, I might get some of the cream glosses as well. But Super Shock Shadows, no thanks. I've tried their highlighter formula and I'm not a fan of it. So that's all. That is my thoughts. If there's anything left, I will link the collection down below for you to check out. And all my links to everything else are always down there. As always. Hi, I'm Lauren. This video is going up late in the day, but every other day in October I'm making a video that's being released around like noontime so far. So feel free to subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow, which is also gonna be my birthday. So I'm just saying, happy birthday to me. Okay, bye.